If the point Px, y is equidistant from the points a plus b, b minus a, and a minus b, a plus b, prove that bx equals ay. So here the point Px, y is equidistant from a. A is a plus b, b minus a. Next, P x, y is equidistant from b. B value is a minus b, a plus b. So here I'll consider this as x1, y1 and x2, y2, x1, y1, x2, y2. So here clearly they told that it is equidistant, so PA distance equals PB distance. Now see, sometimes you can do squaring on both sides here only. Squaring on both the sides. So it will be like PA square equals PB square. Now PA distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here PA x2 is a plus b minus x whole square, y2 minus y1 b minus a minus y whole square equals, again we did whole square, so PA square, and here square and root will get cancelled. On the right side PB, for PB x2 is a minus b minus x whole square, y2 is a plus b minus y whole square, and PB square, so it is whole square, square and root cancel. So we are left with a plus b minus x whole square, b minus a minus y whole square, a minus b minus x whole square, a plus b minus y whole square. Now these all are in the form of like a plus b plus c whole square. So if I write the formula here, a plus b plus c whole square, formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is the formula. So now here, see, this term will be important, this is big. First I'll write for this term a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So here it is a, b. While writing c, write minus x. A, b, b minus x, a. So the expansion of a plus b minus x whole square is done. Now for this b minus a minus y whole square, for this again the same formula, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So here in place of a we have b, in place of b we have minus a, in place of c minus y. So b minus a minus y, b minus a minus y minus y and b equals, on the right side this one, a minus b minus x whole square. So for this again if I'll expand, it will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab 2bc 2ca. So in place of a, it's a, in place of b minus b, in place of c minus x. So a minus b minus x, a minus b minus b minus x and a plus this. I need to expand on this one. So if I'll expand this, see here, see again a plus b plus c whole square. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab 2bc 2ca. So a is a, b is b, c is minus y, a b b minus y a. Now here one step, see, that is this one, a square, this is equal to, try to remember this is on the equal to sign. So on the left side and right side some a square and here a square, they'll get cancelled. B square minus b whole square is b square only, they'll get cancelled. Minus x whole square is x square and x square, they'll get cancelled. In the same way, b square minus a square will be a square and a square, y square and y square, this all will get cancelled. Now the leftover terms on the left side and right side, I'll write. There will be some more terms, but better to write. Some more terms may get cancelled, but it will be better if you write. So it will be, see now 2ab, this term, plus into minus 2bx minus 2ax. Here now this one minus 2ab minus into minus plus 2ay minus 2by. This is on the left side. On the right side, this term minus 2ab minus into minus plus 2bx minus 2ax, and here it is 2ab minus 2by minus 2ay. See here now 2ab minus 2ab minus 2ab plus 2ab and minus 2ax on the left side and on the right side, and minus 2by on the left side, minus 2by on the right side. Now you are left with minus 2bx plus 2ay, on the right side 2bx minus 2ay. So minus 2ay take left side and 2bx send towards right side. So 2ay plus 2ay, next 2bx plus 2bx, 2ay plus 2ay, I'll write here, 4ay and 4bx, 4 and 4 cancel, so ay equals bx or bx equals ay, both the same name. In this way we need to simplify. See, first they told equidistant. Equidistance is nothing but you need to find distance, and they gave clearly p and the point A, PA distance is equal to PB distance. And here this one A plus B plus C whole square formula I use, that if you know, just if you expand slowly, most of the things are getting cancelled. Directly we'll end up with the answer.